Hello, Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today I'm going to make achari chicken, and for that we would be using 1.5 kg of chicken, 4 to 5 medium sized tomatoes, some ginger cut in julienne for topping, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, some green chilies blanched, 1 medium size of onion if you need extra gravy, and some salt to taste, and achari mix masala, which is again homemade, and I will also upload the recipe soon, and some 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So heat oil and add the onion, saute it for some time. We just need some translucent onion, not just completely brown, because it will make our gravy brownish, and we don't want that since it's achari chicken, so we need it good color. After 3 to 4 minutes, I'm adding chicken. Fry it in the oil till it changes its color. And add the ginger garlic paste. Now the chicken is fried completely with ginger garlic paste, and it has changed its color, and I can smell its aroma. To it I will add the tomatoes. Two tablespoons of crushed Achari Gosht masala. Add in salt. And some water. Mix it and cover it. Let it cook. Let it cook for almost 20 minutes. Till then, I will fill the chilies. And don't leave your chicken. Keep mixing it from time to time. Chicken is almost ready, and let's add the yogurt and mix. to give it a balanced taste. Meanwhile, our chicken is being cooked. I will make the paste. Add in all of the powder and the lemon juice and mix so that it becomes a thick paste. Fill it in the blanched chilies. Now add in the filled green chilies. Let it simmer. Cover it and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So here is the final look of Achari chicken. You believe me, it tastes very good and its aroma is amazing. It feels like I've used any packed masala recipe. Though it's homemade, it's completely homemade and you can make it with very basic ingredients. And soon I will upload the recipe of the Achari masala mix. Do try this recipe and don't forget to comment and tell me how you found out my recipe. Okay, bye.